So, why is the climate and sustainable growth major so unique? What sets it apart? Broadly, it consists of three elements that we believe are essential to a comprehensive education in this area. It provides a foundational grounding of the climate and growth challenge, that 360 degrees understanding that is a focus of the Chicago curriculum. It provides experiential learning to widen your perspective, and it also provides a deep dive into a specialization to prepare you for your career. So I'm going to walk you through each of these elements and why they are so essential throughout this presentation. They are all built into the components that make up the major: the prerequisites, the required courses, the specializations, and the capstone course. To be a major, you must first have a reasonable base of mathematics and science. You need to take 2 courses of calculus, 2 courses of chemistry, and 2 courses in biology. These are all part of your general education requirements. Back to these essential elements I talked about. They start here with the foundational courses. These courses lay the groundwork for your education in climate and sustainable growth, allowing you to learn about the challenge from all angles so you're able to gain a comprehensive understanding. The courses start with a broad overview of the climate and growth challenge. You then learn about the science of climate change, the economics of our climate and energy choices, the history, key features, and potential future of our energy technologies, the ethics and moral dimensions of climate change, the politics and laws that influence and make up our efforts to confront it, the impacts of climate change throughout the world and ways we can adapt. And finally, once you have this toolkit of knowledge, you'll use it to explore climate and energy in dynamic real-world settings through a September Abroad course. Now, this is where experiential learning comes in. It is such a unique and critical component to the major. Having built the knowledge you need in the classroom, you'll take that knowledge with you as reference points as you travel to places around the world where different aspects of the climate and growth challenge are playing out. This course will let you personally experience these various aspects of the challenge and its many nuances from different viewpoints. For example, you could travel to rural India and experience life with limited electricity, where cheap but polluting energy sources are vital for economic growth, despite worsening climate impacts. You could travel to West Texas, where oil and gas booms fuel economic gains, while also contributing to pollution and putting a strain on local public services. You could travel to New York City and meet with capital allocators whose job it is to only find the highest return on investment. And you could travel to international capitals to meet with policymakers and witness how they balance the cost and benefits of climate policies. Experiences like these widen your perspective and allow you to gain an authentic understanding of this complex challenge, better equipping you to find effective solutions.